Hi, I'm Tommy Clinton, and we have the Transgender Health and Wellness Center, and I wanted to invite you to our grand reopening with Marconi. This is Angelina Love, and this is Marconi, the artist. And our grand reopening is September 6th at 6:30 at 35325 Date Palm Drive, Suite 143. We used to be in 107. 143, Cathedral City, California, 92234. So you see I'm wearing these glasses, these 3D glasses. So we have just learned that our mural that Marconi painted is actually 3D. So when you come and enjoy and celebrate with us about trans equality, you get to wear these glasses and actually see this mural in 3D, which has butterfly wings that you can stand in front of and be a butterfly and all sorts of other things. So thank you, Marconi, and I really do appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm glad you liked it.
Oh, it's beautiful. I wish we could show it to you, but you know, we don't want to steal the thunder, so you have to come and see it. Part of it about equality is that you have to make that effort, and trans people still are one of the #1 disfranchised communities within the LGBT community. So by directly supporting us, we're able to serve over 27,000 trans people in the Inland Empire and about 2,200 in the Coachella Valley. So please come, support us, support our youth programs for LGBT youth, and just we hope to see you there.